Welcome to session 69. I was showing a friend how to pump foil. If you don't know how to do it, you can click on the video right here. And so I showed him everything and I switched to my old pump foil board, which I also use for kite foiling. It's a bit bigger and that's why I had problems to start it.
Ah, das tut mir gut. Das nimmt mir sowas von dem Druck weg.
I was 1 year on a small pocket foil board from Indiana, and switching back takes some time to adjust, and it's quite interesting. In the end I figured it out, but in the beginning I took a few tries because the physics are a bit different. So I basically showed him how to pump foil, and if your session looks the same, don't get frustrated. Everybody starts like this. There's no cheating through the first stage, which is basically jumping on the board and falling off right away. That's how everybody starts. You have to go through it. In the end, it pays off like this. One more word regarding the different board size. I made a video 1 year ago about it. And after 1 year of pumping, I would totally recommend getting a pocket foil board. It's much stiffer, it's lighter, and you can pump much easier. You can be more precise. So I don't regret having bought a smaller board, and I would recommend, if you have a certain technique or degree of pump foiling, switch to a smaller board. It pays off.
Ja, besser. Ja, besser, 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 sehr gut.
So I hope you had fun watching and maybe try it for yourself, or you already have tried. Then you can watch some other videos from me. Thank you for subscribing, liking, commenting, and having a good day. May the foil be with you.